can't like I can't be good for a bird to eat pad thai.
Nah, yeah, it's not good.
It's not going to be good for anyone flying.
Near it either. Stay away from the birds, Augie.
And the pigeons are coming too. They're pulling up.
The biggest seagulls I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen a ton of seagulls in my life.
Yeah.
Don't get too close to the water.
Look at that duck. What if they come close to me?
They're big and big. It's like
What if they come close to me?
They're fighting. Hey. Come on, let them eat their food. Let them eat their pad thai.
Alright, come on, guys.
Augie, let
the Seagull. Yeah, it's in like Scotland or something.
let them
I
eat
heard
their
that on
Thai,
the news.
Augie.
Dress up and stuff.
Yeah.
What is-
And like there's a kids version. Yeah. Did you hear that on the news?
Yeah, I
too?
saw it on.
Sick.
Okay, yeah, I was listening to NPR one I heard it, yeah. It's really funny.
Goes up there with the air guitar competition.
Yeah. Well, it's a little bit
Oh,
better. It's, like,
pigeons.
super original.
Yeah.
Pigeons getting your tie, guys.
It doesn't sound like seagulls. It's really amazing.